In today's video, we're going to take a look at how you can use Canva to customize your Google Classroom with headers.
To navigate to Canva, you can either log into your ClassLink Launchpad and click on Canva, or you can go to canva.com. If you're logging into Canva for the first time, it might prompt you to log in with your Google account, so just go ahead and do that. Once you're in Canva, you are going to come to the Search Your Content or Design, and then you are simply going to search Google Classroom Header. Once you do that, you can see that they've got over 1,500 different templates that you can use, so you can decide which style is going to work best for you and your students. And then once you find one that you want, so let's say that I like this one, I'm going to click on it, and then it's going to open up so I can edit it. So I'm going to say, welcome to Miss Beckham's class. And just like in any other program, we can come in and change the size of the font so that way it will fit into the header appropriately. And so I like that size, so I'm going to move it out of the way and delete that box, and then just drag this back down. And so that looks good to me. I might change the sizing just a little bit, but anyways, you can change and do what you need to do. When you are finished with it and you're ready to take it over to your Google Classroom, you are going to click on the Share button in the top right-hand corner. We are going to download, and then go ahead and download that file. So now, as you can see, I've got that file in my downloads, and I can come over to my Google Classroom, click into my Sandbox course, and now you can see you've got this Customize button right up here. So I'm going to click Customize and upload my photo. So I'm just going to drag it over. And then you will need to just edit the size that you want it to be. So I'm going to drag this side down over here too. And there we go. I'm going to select that as my class theme. And now you can choose if you want a theme color if it didn't change. And now that that's done, I am going to click Save. And there you go.
Before we go, I want to show you a quick thing in Canva templates called Classroom Decor Kits.
If you look over on your left-hand side of your screen when you're logged into Canva, you can click on Templates. There are tons of different templates available, as you can see just a few right down here, but I really want to show you these Classroom Decor Kits. So the Classroom Decor Kits have lots of different files created in the different themes. So here's one. If I click on it, you can see everything that comes with this one. So it's got multiple Google Classroom headers. It's got little name tags you can use. So just a couple of different things. So I highly recommend that you check out some of these Classroom Decor Kits in Canva too.